Welcome back, guys. So today, Doge USDT, what's happening, where are the main key support resistant area we're gonna dive in, so just stay tuned until the end of this video. Just first of all, just by zooming out, I think we can be very bullish for Doge. The kind of the daily main support key resistant area is 24 cents. Right now we are at 19 cents. So that's one thing. One thing that right now from 19, say just going to try to act as a magnet around 21 cents. We're just gonna dive in more in the charts by zooming in and just going to show you why I'm talking about this. So we've seen that on the bigger picture, like we've been breaking some major key support area resistance that now act on the favor of the bull. So this is good to see. Now, on the short terms, again, we may have little pullbacks, but on the time frame, just until we respect these trend lines, we are good. At least for me, I'm good with that. The reason is, from my previous video, they can check, but I was saying, you know, it were like around 20 and we drop around to 40, 15 cents. And the low was like 15 cents basically, but you see the week around 14. So now we've been on the sideways accumulations for quite some times. We break out of it and then start a new trend. So we need to be careful. We need to pay attention of some major key support area, but it's great to see that the chart show that we've been exiting the sideways and now we expanding on the way up. So this is good. We made like some lower high and then higher high from the previous breakout structure of 17 cents. So this is good. That's what I like, at least for myself. Everyone's got their own strategy, but that's what I teach. Now, one thing, 21 EMA, it seems that we may have been done like one top. Now we're making a lower high, so acting as like a bit of weaknessing, and we got some as well other confluence too from news and from the technicals that we may just try to revisiting. So now the questions mean the $1 million question is, if it were rejected, how far? So what I want to see, I don't mind again, if we go a little bit lower, revisiting, but we don't break and we don't close under the 21. Weeks, that's fine. They just try to liquidate people. You know how money makers works. That's the thing, that's the game. But on the bigger picture, because we've been zooming out, you know, on the bigger one is good, you know. On a bigger time frame, like we want something healthy. So it's, I mean, in life, we want to be a bit patient. It's okay. If we need to wait a little bit, that's okay, you know. But then we got more strength to break these trend lines, make a higher high, and just act as this money magnet of 21 cents. That one I want to see. It's okay. We don't need to rush, but that one I want to see, you know. So you can see you got this little triangle there where we may just start to forming. So the scenario that I would like to see, to be patient, get better entries, is we're doing something like this. We break, make a higher high, and then we break this major resistance of 21 cents and make it as a support. That's what I want to see for Doge. If Doge do that, I will not be surprised that all the other meme coins start to react as well and could be an indicators for the meme coin season leg up, something like this. The market is very volatile, but the interest is very low recently. So it takes like 10 times less money to move the market on the way up or on the way down. So we just need to be careful on that. But on the very short terms, like in the next few days, we are on Thursday, 2 days. So Friday, low volatility on the weekend. I would not be surprised with consolidating in this triangle for a bit, all the way to the weekends, and next week something good. or we never know, we got some good news or some alpha insider, something like this, that the news pumping and we break something. But on a bigger picture, we don't want to lose the 21 EMA. Weeks all the way to 50, that's fine, you know, so between the 19 to 18, because it's very easy to move, because the market cap are so low that it's very easy to manipulate, but you get the points. So that's the technical analysis for Doge overall. And I can as well maybe put the VPVR as well for you, give you a chart. So yes, you can see that we really have like good interest of trading on this area, you know, on the long term, you know. So between 19 to, yeah, the 19 area is very big area, you know. If we wick down, you know, like it can be problematic, but until then, my friend, I like to see that. I think it's very bullish for Doge overall. I'm gonna remove the distribution area, the sideways accumulations phase. And yes, now I marked for you guys where could be the potential retest if we break underneath, because it's all about probabilities. If we break, we wick down all the way down to 19 cents. Okay, that's the first stop, and this is going to be acting as a very, very strong support. If we break that, it means something happened on a bigger story narrative that they want to affect the market somehow, some way. If the case we go lower, and it's going to correlate and as well connected with the, it's all about Nexus, right? It's going to be connected with the 21 EMA. And if we lose it, the second major one is going to be like around 18 cents. So mark them, write them down somewhere, take a picture. I can as well, if you guys, I can do that for you. And drop a like if you like the video, just to support the channel. Like that, I just do like this. Make a screenshot if you want to, like that you have an idea. But overall, I expect to see some lower price just to consolidating, revisiting, maybe kiss the 21 EMA, bounce back, and money magnets all the way up to 21 cents. All right, guys. So that's my thoughts on Doge. And we really don't want to go as low to 16 cents, because it's a major key support. And if we lose it, I think we need to readjust on strategies and risk management in this market. Same as usual, you know, this market is here to take your money, and until that you have a good risk management in place, we should be good. And don't forget, guys, so subscribe to the channel for the latest technical analysis. And as usual, we got all the links from the dynamic Nexus crypto deals that you can find from exchanges to have some deals, some bonuses, as well like some product just to protect your assets like cold store wallet, ledger, and others. So just feel free and trade well, my friends, and talk to you soon for another video. Bye bye.